Right, so Apple's mixed reality headset might be cheaper than we thought, and so let's delve into the report, but first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours. And with that being said, let's just tuck in. Right, so the ever-credible Mark Gurman was discussing Apple and Meta's plans to dominate the virtual world, which of course is the metaverse. And well, in this report, Gurman gave us a small tidbit about Apple's mixed reality headset, and that's regarding the price. So he believes it's most likely going to be $2,000, which apparently is going to be quite a lot more expensive than Meta's offerings. And that is to be expected since, of course, the Meta Quest 2 that Facebook sells right now is only $300, and I was pretty sure Apple's version of that was going to be way more expensive. But the good news is, this leak does suggest a price that's a lot cheaper than other leaks had mentioned, since of course the information gave us a massive leak and said it could be $3,000. Now yes, I know that 2K is still out of reach for many consumers, but it's a lot better than $3,000. And do remember, this headset's gonna have dual 8K displays, more than 12 cameras, and also advanced eye tracking, so all this tech for $2,000 actually isn't that bad, since comparable headsets have much inferior specs. In fact, for example, the HoloLens 2 that Microsoft makes has 2K displays, and that's $3,500. So when you're paying $2,000 and getting dual 8K displays, that really does not seem like a bad deal. And do remember, this headset is going to be Apple's premium offering, so this is going to have the best of the best specs. And if anything, when Apple does eventually release cheaper headsets, those could have 4K or 2K displays that again is going to be a lot cheaper than headsets with comparable specs. So yes, on the whole, I do think the price is pretty fair for this headset, and while I most likely won't be buying one, I'm sure that those who do are going to enjoy using this headset because of the high-end specs. I mean, just imagine two 8K displays right in front of you, creating this virtual reality. That just sounds absolutely incredible. Now, as for other tidbits regarding this headset, the release should be sometime in 2022, so I do think we could see a WWDC release, since of course developers who need to make apps for this device are most likely going to be the initial target demographic. And as for the design, it's going to look like this. It reminds me of ski goggles, and I know it's not the prettiest design in the world, but this should be incredibly comfortable to wear because we do have a sport band-like material with the headband and also lightweight mesh materials on the front to again maximize comfort. In fact, I believe Minchi Kuo told us these could be 150 grams, which would be way lighter than the competition. So yes, I'm pretty excited for this headset, but tell me your thoughts on this report in the comments below. Anyways, thank you for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours. Check out the video in the card above on details regarding the iPhone 14, and on that note I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps.